Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss chapter 15 Fuels for Vehicles. Firstly, I read the chapter and one by one I explain the paragraph. Fuel are source of energy. To utilize this energy, it has to be burned. All vehicles need fuel to move. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are obtained from dead remains of plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of years ago. Hence, these are called fossil fuels. What is a fossil fuels? Fuel is any material which can be burned to obtain energy. The process of burning fuel to obtain energy is called the combustion. All means of transport need fuel to move. Different kinds of fuels are used by different vehicles. So, coal, petroleum, natural gas are obtained from dead plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of ago. So these are called fossil fuels. Coal. Coal was formed when huge plants got buried under the earth and decomposed because of heat and pressure of overlaying rocks and soil in the absence of oxygen. Coal is used for cooking, heating and generating electricity and diesel. Coal was initially used to produce steam and for cooking, heating, generating electricity and in other industries. Gradually, steam engines were replaced by diesel and electronic engines. Next, petroleum. Petroleum was formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the sea millions of years ago. These remains were subjected to high pressure and temperature and they got compressed and turned into petroleum. Petroleum is the source of petrol, diesel and kerosene. Petroleum or minerals oil is known as a black gold. It is collected by drilling large and deep oil well on land and under the sea bed. An area with many oils well is called an oil field. Petrol is used as fuel in two-wheelers, cars. Natural gas. Natural gas is often found along with oil under the layers of rocks. It is used in the form of compressed natural gas (CNG). It is an eco-friendly and clean fuel. The entire public transport fleet comprising buses, taxis and auto rickshaws have been covered to CNG. Liquid petroleum gas (LPG) is a byproduct of petroleum refining and is used to cook food. It is stored in a gas cylinders and it burnt with a blue flame. So, natural gas is found trapped in oil fields along the with minerals oil. It is used in two forms: compressed natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas. LPG is used as household fuel to cook food and CNG is used to run vehicles. These fuels caused very less pollution as compared to other fuels. Cost of fuels. The cost of fuels are rising very rapidly The prices of petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG are reversed several times a year. If cost of fuel keep rising at this rate, soon these fuels will be out of reach of the common people. Fuel cost. Fossil fuels are non-renewable fuels such as petroleum, natural gas and coal are available in limited quantity. They are very expensive. The cost of fossil fuels is increasing day by day. It leads to rise in prices of daily use product. We should not waste fuel. Use environment friendly fuel. Use bicycles because they do not cause pollution and is also good exercise for health. Next, alternative source of energy. Materials other than fossil fuels that can be used as fuels are called alternative fuels. Fossil fuels are non-renewable source of energy as they take millions of years to be formed. They cannot be generated in a short time. We will soon face shortage if they continue to be used at the present rate. So, we should switch over to alternative source of energy. Some of the alternative source of energy for vehicles are hydrogen, biofuels like alcohol fuels and biodiesel, battery, electricity, etc. Wind, solar and water energy should be used more and more as these are non-polluting. The supply of fossil fuels is limited in nature, hence they are called non-renewable sources. Fuels. They release harmful gases which pollute the environment. Hence, the necessity of generate alternative fuels has arisen. Fuels other than fossil fuels are called alternative fuel. Some alternative fuels are solar energy, bioalcohol, biodiesel, liquefied hydrogen, etc.